Hey guys, it's me, Heyyyyyyyy. Welcome back to my channel. So, if you guys want to watch me get unready, let's go. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Heyyyyyyyy, your beloved YouTubers. Gitu beloved lah sangat kan. So, today memandangkan kita tengah mengrayai ataupun meraihkan memandangkan sekarang adalah musim Christmas. So, Fenty Beauty is already coming out in Malaysia officially. Yay! So Fenty Beauty have a new skincare line which is their Fenty Skin. So dia adalah orang pertama dapat membeli Fenty Skin di all Sephora Malaysia. So basically what did I got is this is not a sponsor from Sephora or any Fenty Skin PR. I am using my own money which is I collected and I spent at Sephora to buy a new Fenty Skin skincare line. So yeah, if you guys want to see what did I bought from Sephora, let's unbox it. Dun, dun, dun. Yay! This is Fenty Skin. If you guys can see, it is very cute. Oh my god, the packaging, guys. See, nampak tak? Nampak kat muka HJ. So basically, HJ dekat Melaka. So HJ review this Fenty Skin in Melaka. So HJ dah penat semua daripada berjalan-jalan di sekitar Melaka. So hari ni kita akan review tentang Fenty Skin. This is my first impression. So basically I tak pernah try lagi. HJ tak pernah try lagi this Fenty new skincare line. So basically this is my honest review, my very honest review, because I didn't know what kind of texture it is, what kind of fragrance in it, and I also did not know how good is the product is. So basically this is all my first impression, and please don't judge me. This is Miss Riri. Miss Riri is already stated that this is the simplest way to take care of your skin. So guys ataupun people yang tak pernah cuba skincare selama ni, so if you guys want to check it out, so you guys can check it out, this Fenty Skin, because it only have three main products. So yep, let's unbox it. So, if you guys see, the packaging is very recyclable. Miss Riri says support recyclable products, recyclable packaging. So basically all their packaging can be recycled. So it's a good way to help our environment. So next we can open it up and take it out one by one. Yes, this is their three line of Fenty Skin Care. So next we are going to talk about their first Fenty Skin Total Cleanser Remove It All Cleanser. So basically this is the packaging. As you can see the packaging is very nice, very minimalist, and also very professional looking. It's gray in color. So basically it has 45 ml, which is 1.52 fluid ounce. So the direction is to use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. So this Fenty Skin Total Cleanser is It is very good for to remove makeup and also act as a normal cleanser. So there are two top ingredients in the total cleanser. So first, it has a Barbados cherry acerola. It is loaded with more vitamin C than an orange. So it helps to brighten up your skin tone if you use it religiously. So the first step is to remove all the dirt, the impurities. You have to wet your face. And next, this total cleanser from Fenty Skin, it's actually have a mechanism twist. So you can see it twists. So you can see it twists. So korang just picit dia kat sini. Korang picit nampak tak dia keluar? Nampak? So korang agak-agak lah banyak-banyak ni sebab korang tak perlukan banyak pun dia punya cleanser. Then after korang picit, korang tutup. So basically korang just rub ni with both of your hands and korang just see, korang just spread it out evenly and korang just massage it. Korang massage. So it's good for remove your makeup also and as a normal cleanser. If you guys see the cleanser is already absorbed, but it's okay. You guys have to put more water into your face and you guys have to emulsify it. And yeah, see, all the foam is coming out already. So in terms of the texture, it's very creamy and it's very thick. It has a smell of vanilla, and I think for those who have a very sensitive skin about fragrance, so you guys cannot use this kind of cleanser. But if you guys have a normal skin like me, you guys can use this cleanser because it smells very nice. Nampak tak? So after that korang dah lather macam tu, biarkan kejap sikit, ambil air lagi. So dah korang cuci je lah. So korang cuci, Okay, kita dah pun basuh muka dan rasa selepas basuh muka tu adalah kulit korang takkan rasa kering and our face feel soft, feel very soft after the cleanse, and it didn't strip off your moisture, and it is very gentle, which is you guys can use. I think for the sensitive skin also can use, but if you are sensitive in fragrance, so please beware and please do the patch test first before you guys use it. Okay, so I will rate this total cleanser about 7.5 out of 10 because I like it very much. It's very thick, it's very creamy, and it has a vanilla kind of smell to it. So yeah, you guys can buy this. If you guys didn't want to try full size, you guys can buy the mini starter kit. So next, what we are going to do is just to pat it dry. So next, we are going to talk about their very highly recommended product from Fenty Skin, which is their Fat Water Toner Serum. This one, yes, I know you guys are very tak sabar, okay, nak tahu apa yang bagusnya fat water yang digembar-gemburkan oleh masyarakat semua. Korang nak tahu ni? So Fenty claim that it is an hybrid toner plus serum. Wow, this is the first time that I ever heard about toner plus serum. So Miss Riri already simple up our routine by combining two products, which is toner and also serum in one bottle, which is called mini fat water. So yeah, it is very brilliant, Miss Riri. Oh my god, wow. So there is two top ingredients in this mini fat water, which is the first one is Australian lemon myrtle and also a witch hazel. Korang mesti takut kan sebab some of the witch hazel product are very drying to the skin, but I did not know about this Fenty fat water, how the performance is, but we have to try it. So basically, they have two ingredients in it, which is the first one is Australian lemon and witch hazel. It had to reduce oil and refine the pores. And next, the second ingredient in it is Japanese resin tree. It helps to detoxify the skin. So Miss Riri already advised us that if you want to use this mini fat water, you didn't have to use cotton pad. Just put it in here. See, the texture is very thick. One, two, yeah. So you guys can put it berapa banyak yang korang suka pun. So it's very thick and very runny. So the smell is, it has slightly skincare kind of sense. So nampak tak? My face is very glowy, as you can see. My face really absorb it very well. See, nampak tak? Korang dah tak nampak dah the texture runny ke ataupun apa, dia just melt into your skin, nampak? Tapi after you apply this fat water, it's instantly absorbed into your skin, and also it has something like tacky feeling, but it is a good tacky feeling. Nampak tak? Faham tak? Maksudnya dia macam melekit, tapi bukan melekit yang melekit. Dia macam, it has slightly tacky feeling to it, but it's absorbed nicely into your skin, like super nicely. Okay, so the Fenty Skin Heyyyyyyyy, saya sangat suka this mini Fenty Skin fat water. Memang love gila-gila. This is incredible. Thanks Miss Riri. So I takkan rasa like oily after that, ataupun I takkan rasa macam very greasy mess. So yep, this is very good. This is very good. So I will rate it as 8.5 out of 10. So I really love this. You guys can check it out at your nearest Sephora and buy this toner serum. So next we are going to use our third product, which is their very famous Fenty Skin Hydra Visor. Tada! Nampak tak? Packaging dia pun sangat-sangat cantik, sangat-sangat sleek, sangat-sangat mini. But apa yang saya sangat suka, dia come with the pump. It is a moisturizer with SPF 30 broad spectrum. So if you guys tak tahu apa yang broad spectrum tu adalah, broad spectrum ni, if you guys cari sunscreen, you guys have to find broad spectrum because it will protect you from the UVA and UVB. So basically, you guys just pump into your hand. Oh wow! Korang nampak tak? It has slightly purple in color to it, or yep. You just have to spread it evenly. Kalau tak cukup, you guys boleh tambah lagi. Spread lah evenly ya. Jangan kedekut dengan moisturizer because it helps to hydrate and maintain your skin and prevent your skin to be burned by the sun. So basically, it has two top ingredients in this Hydra Visor. The first top ingredient is Kalahari melon. What is Kalahari melon? What it is? So basically, Kalahari melon is a wild watermelon that rich in antioxidants and vitamins. It hydrates your skin and prevent you from burn. The second top ingredient in this Hydra Visor is niacinamide, which is in the form of vitamin B3. It helps to reduce dark spot open pores and fight excess shine. So yeah, kita dah lama cakap dah pun. As you can see, this is Hydra Visor Moisturizer plus SPF 30. So basically you guys just spread it out into the skin. So basically korang akan nampak macam slightly purplish ataupun purplish in color as you guys spread it out. So it's okay for people with color like me. Don't be afraid. You guys just have to spread it out evenly and wait for 10 minutes before you guys are going out. So if you guys spread it evenly, you guys didn't have any white cast in your skin, and it is what I can say, it is very fragrancy. Nampak tak? Dia memang ada fragrance yang sangat kuat. But this fragrance, I feel that it is very therapeutic because it smell like fruity smell. I think like fruit smell, macam tropical fruits kind of smell. Maybe a Kalahari melon, I didn't know. But for me, which is didn't have any issue with fragrance, I think I really love it, this moisturizer, because it melts into your skin and it didn't feel very greasy, or it feel surprisingly it feels very matte. And also as you can see, it have shine after you apply it. Nampak tak? Dia ada shine but not oily. It has very orang kata glass skin look, but it is not oily. Nampak tak? But it is very feel matte at your skin. I really love this. So people yang have a normal skin, combination skin or oily skin really love this moisturizer. It is very good. I will rate this Fenty Skin Hydra Visor about 8 out of 10 because I really love this. But the con is it has high in fragrance. So yep, so sad. Oh my god, that's all. That is my opinion about the first impression of Fenty Skin. So if you guys want to know how the performance is, how it is brighten up your skin, or maybe it can break me out, so you guys have to stay tuned for the next part 2 Fenty Skin review from me. So I will tell you guys in detail, and also I will tell you guys in how many months that I use so I'm so sorry, how many months that I use for a starter kit like this. So yeah, that's all from me. But before you guys want to leave, I hope you guys can check it out, my previous video about CMCO vlog, because I think it's very fun. So you guys can check it out. And before you leave as well, you are right here, please subscribe to my channel, please share, please like, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
So please whatever.
And I will provide you with all the new skincare product for 2021 next year. And please follow all my social media at Haziq Jamaluddin. And yeah, that is all from me. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you. If you guys have any question, please you guys can check it out below. And yeah, tanya jawab dulu. PJ akan bantu korang. So yeah, that is all for today. See you guys next week. Bye bye.